Ever looked up at the night sky and wondered how fragile our little blue marble really is? Our planet has been around for about 4.5 billion years, surviving all sorts of cosmic chaos. But are we invincible? Today, we're diving into 7 cosmic and terrestrial threats that could, theoretically, destroy planet Earth. Don't worry, this isn't a doomsday prediction, but a fascinating journey into the science of what keeps our world spinning and what could stop it. First up, the one everyone thinks of, a giant asteroid impact. We've all seen the movies. A massive rock hurtles from space, and boom, game over. The dinosaurs learned this the hard way about 66 million years ago when an asteroid estimated to be 10 kilometers wide slammed into what is now the Yucatan Peninsula. The impact triggered a global winter, wiping out about 75% of all species. Could it happen again? Absolutely. NASA and other space agencies are constantly scanning the skies for potentially hazardous asteroids. The good news is, we haven't found any on a collision course with Earth for the next 100 years. Plus, we're developing defense systems, like the DART mission, which successfully altered an asteroid's orbit. So while it's a real threat, we're not entirely defenseless. It's more a question of when, not if, a big one comes our way, and whether we'll be ready. Next, let's talk about something a bit more exotic. A gamma-ray burst. Imagine the most powerful explosion in the universe since the Big Bang. That's a gamma-ray burst. These are intense beams of high-energy radiation, usually released during the collapse of a massive star or the collision of 2 neutron stars. If one of these were to hit Earth, it would be catastrophic. A burst lasting just a few seconds could strip away a significant portion of our ozone layer. Without the ozone layer to protect us, harmful ultraviolet radiation from the sun would flood the planet, leading to mass extinctions, crop failures, and a collapse of the food chain. The chances of a gamma-ray burst hitting us are incredibly slim. They're rare, and the beam has to be aimed directly at us. Most known bursts have occurred billions of light-years away. But if one happened in our own galactic neighborhood, say within a few thousand light-years, we'd be in serious trouble. Number 3 on our list is a stellar visitor, a rogue star. Our solar system isn't just floating in empty space, it's part of the Milky Way galaxy, which is filled with billions of other stars. Most keep a respectful distance, but occasionally, a star can be ejected from its system and wander through the galaxy. If a rogue star were to pass through our solar system, it wouldn't even need to collide with anything to cause chaos. Its immense gravitational pull could destabilize the orbits of the planets. It could fling Earth into a much colder, more distant orbit, or send us spiraling into the sun. It could also disrupt the Oort cloud, a vast shell of icy objects far beyond Neptune, sending a shower of comets raining down on the inner solar system. Like gamma-ray bursts, the probability is extremely low, but it's a possibility on cosmic timescales. Moving on to number 4, something from a little closer to home, a supervolcano eruption. We're not talking about your average volcano. A supervolcano is capable of an eruption thousands of times larger than anything we've seen in recorded history. The Yellowstone caldera in the United States is a prime example. If it were to erupt, it would blast immense quantities of ash, dust, and sulfur dioxide into the atmosphere. This would create a volcanic winter, blocking out sunlight for years, causing global temperatures to plummet. Agriculture would collapse, leading to worldwide famine. While the immediate blast zone would be annihilated, the long-term global effects would be the real planet killer. Geologists monitor these sites closely, and while Yellowstone shows activity, there are no signs of an imminent supereruption. The last one was over 600,000 years ago, so we might have some time. Threat number 5 sounds like science fiction, but it's grounded in real physics. A vacuum decay event. This is probably the most terrifying and unstoppable threat on the list. According to some theories in quantum physics, the vacuum of space might not be truly stable. It might exist in a false vacuum state, like a ball resting in a small dip at the top of a hill. If something were to nudge it, it could tunnel through to a true vacuum state, a lower energy level. This would trigger a chain reaction, creating a bubble of true vacuum that expands at the speed of light, rewriting the fundamental laws of physics as it goes. Everything it touches, stars, planets, you, me, would be instantly obliterated. We would never see it coming, because nothing can travel faster than light. The good news, we have no evidence that this could happen, and if our universe is in a false vacuum, it's been stable for over 13 billion years. So maybe don't lose sleep over this one. Let's bring it back to Earth for number 6, the collapse of Earth's magnetic field. This invisible shield, generated by the movement of molten iron in our planet's core, protects us from harmful solar winds and cosmic radiation. Without it, the solar wind would strip away our atmosphere over time, much like what happened to Mars. The magnetic field isn't static. It fluctuates in strength and even flips its polarity, with north becoming south and vice versa. These reversals happen every few 100,000 years on average. We're actually overdue for one. During a reversal, the field weakens significantly, potentially leaving us more vulnerable for thousands of years. While it wouldn't be an instant apocalypse, the increased radiation at the surface could lead to higher cancer rates and damage our technology. Life would likely survive, but our civilization would face immense challenges. Finally, number 7, the death of our own sun. This one isn't a maybe, it's a definite. But don't pack your bags just yet. Our sun is a middle-aged star, comfortably fusing hydrogen into helium. In about 5 billion years, however, it will run out of hydrogen fuel in its core. It will then begin to swell, transforming into a red giant. Its outer layers will expand so much that they will engulf Mercury, Venus, and very likely, Earth. Our planet will be vaporized, its atoms scattered into the expanding stellar envelope. Even if Earth somehow survived being swallowed, the intense heat would have boiled away our oceans and sterilized the surface long before that. This is the ultimate end for our planet, a scheduled demolition billions of years in the future. It's a sobering reminder that even on a cosmic scale, nothing lasts forever. So there you have it, 7 ways our world could end, from rogue asteroids to the inevitable expansion of our own sun. These scenarios range from the highly improbable to the cosmically certain. They highlight the delicate balance that allows life to thrive on Earth and the immense, powerful forces at play in the universe. While it's easy to feel small and vulnerable, it's also a reason to appreciate the here and now. Our planet is a remarkable, resilient place. Let's continue to explore, understand, and protect it. What do you think is the most likely threat? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this cosmic journey, be sure to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the wonders of our universe. See you next time.